Converting improper fraction to mixed number. Example 1. Express 7 over 2 as a mixed fraction. Before I explain how to solve the problem, I would like to introduce some new terms you will need to be familiar with, and these are dividend, divisor, quotient, and remainder. What does these terms mean? When you have a fraction like 7 over 2, 7 can be referred to as the dividend, or what we have been calling the numerator, while 2 can be referred to as the divisor, or what we have been calling the denominator. When you carry out a division as shown on the screen, the result of your division, for example, 3 is the quotient, which is a whole number, while the value that remains after all division is called the remainder. We can use these terms to derive a formula for writing the final result of the division of converting improper fraction to mixed fraction. Therefore, after all divisions, we can write the final answer as shown on the screen. You will notice that I did not explain some steps in the calculation. I am going to do that in the next example. I used this example to introduce these new terms to you. Now, let's solve the problem. Remember from your elementary mathematics that when you want to divide any given number, you are going to first of all draw the division line with your numerator or dividend inside the line and the denominator or divisor outside the line, as shown on the screen. The next step is to find how many 2 can be found in 7. Note that 2 is the divisor. This will be 3, which is our quotient. We will now multiply 3 by 2, which gives us 6. The 6 is written under 7, which is the dividend as shown on the screen. Then we will now subtract 6 from 7, and we will get a result of 1. 1 is the remainder of the division. How do we write the final answer? Our quotient is 3. The remainder is 1. And the divisor is 2. So we now have 3 whole number 1 over 2, or 3.5. Finally, the improper fraction 7 over 2 is 3.5 as a mixed fraction. Let us look at another example of converting improper fraction to mixed number.